What was that?
Aha! Yes.
Get you sent off. Psych, you don't get to see it.
What's up, guys?
So here we go with an episode of Fast Friday Designs. We're bringing you another headlight install today. A client got a hold of us on social media when he saw these on the 5.0 build. He said, I gotta have some of those.
Absolutely.
But he doesn't just need them for a design purpose to start amplifying his rig. He's in the mercy of that those headlights that he has are falling apart. They got water in them. They're a little fish tank now.
A little deterioration.
And they're all nasty.
We're excited to get our hands on those.
What kind of cheese would you call that?
Ugh, crusty cheese.
So we gotta hurry up, get things cleaned up,
Yes.
get ready to clean his rig for him for the full Rogue Phoenix experience, because by the time we get done with those Alpharexes on it, oh, it's gonna look gorgeous.
It's gonna look sexy.
So here's our Alpharex Pro Series projector light.
Oh, I like it.
For this 2011 Tundra.
It's gonna change the look.
The detail did not help our problem at all.
No, they're
These-
really clouded over. Obviously, have a lot of wear.
Like, it feels like you could almost put your finger through it. They're that bad. This is gonna definitely amplify this whole front end dramatically.
On my Tacoma, I did the same thing.
You did?
Yeah, it was a 2012 Tacoma, and it didn't take long for it to just get all hazy.
God, so this is a good idea.
It's a good idea, yeah. Especially choosing the right light, which obviously we love those.
You know, with the 5.0 build, if you're new to this channel, go check out the other videos as we've been building the 5.0 and making a full Rogue Phoenix custom truck. But we chose not to do the style of DLR tube on that build, but I think for this build, this will work great. Client's already started talking about how after this project, he wants to start deleting all the chrome on it because the whole picture is starting to come together.
And it's gonna be sexy. It is. Once that chrome comes off, once these go on, just start adding what we add to it and changing what we want to do.
Absolutely, because
It's gonna be great.
The overall appearance, it's a ginormous jewel projector.
It is. It's massive.
It's not the multiple ones like on the 5.0
This
build.
DLR is gonna be.
It's gonna look
It's
hot.
gonna change the look. Man, those headlights are looking sweet. If you're new to the channel, check out our Instagram. We're giving away a Super 73 e-bike. It's fine. Check us out on Instagram. Follow for more details on this giveaway. Once we hit 1,500 followers as a whole, it's gonna go live, so don't miss your opportunity. Now back to your regular scheduled program. So,
Project's done.
we're done.
Holy crap.
I really love how that looked. Look at
This,
this.
whew. Now, since like the 5.0 project's matte colors, and we love matte colors, we love satin colors, these actually work really well being a gloss body
With the glossy black.
with the gloss back
Yeah,
background.
sure
so,
is.
No, this was
I'm
the
impressed.
right fit for it, because there are so many aftermarket headlights online or Toyotas.
There's so many. I
We know Toyota has a gazillion aftermarket parts, but these are a perfect, absolute perfect fit. Highly recommend them.
They really make a change to, obviously they're a higher end, they really are a higher end light in terms of what is available online. So, but you get that and you can see that. So you can take an older vehicle that maybe doesn't have a lot of the extras on it, throw some really more high-end lights on it, and it looks awesome.
Absolutely.
So it changes it
Well,
dramatically.
I was shocked with its DLR.
Yes.
The way its DLR works and how, especially the turn signal function, that look, when I saw it first go on, that was gold.
It's amazing.
Questions for your build, what would be the right choice for any topic on your build to enhance your design of it, just let us know in the comments. We do accept, customer vehicles and everything. Make sure to follow us on Instagram,
TikTok,
and like and subscribe this video as we have more big things coming down the pipeline.
YouTube.
And check out our online store. What is that?
That is RoguePhoenixCo.com. We have some fresh gear. You can brand this hat. I'm a huge fan of this hat. Just rolled this out. High end. What's the matter with my shirt?
I like it.
He's laughing at my shirt. Would you laugh at my shirt? No. Hat guy. Love the hats.
It almost looks backwards in the 5.0 build.
It's a little bit.
Black.
And gray. Yeah. So. Well, you gotta.
All right, is this your Dobo d'Arigato?
Mr. Roboto. But check us out. RoguePhoenixCo.com. We're excited. Get some gear.
Catch you next time.
B-roll?